Hi guys! Ayan, so mayroon na naman tayong bagong package. Ayan, so let's review na muna itong ating favorite item or favorite character from Super Mario. So ayan, here. Oh, so this is original Super Mario bag. So I bought this one for my kiddo for our trip next week. So let's check if how's the quality of Mario bag. So last time I bought. Okay, so let's start with the name tag. Ayan, so marami siyang language available. So my article number, so meaning original siya, may barcode. And here is Mario and Luigi. So let me see if it can stand. Oh yeah. Oh, the mushroom is here. Ayan. So ganito siya kalaki. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. Let me check the pack. What is this? The bulsa-bulsa ng kanyang bag. Ayan guys. So good quality naman siya. So it's good quality. The sewing, what is this? Thread is, okay, so there's a little bit here, but it's fine. It's not so important. Okay. Let's take a look the main. So this cost 27 euro. Okay, so this is original. As you can see here. Ayan, so nire-review lang natin if this is original or imitation from this character. Perlite. Ayan, so meron siyang name tag sa loob, so meaning original siya. So let me check. Let's check. Okay. So this is a mini bag luggage for Bubwet. Ayan, so for under the seat luggage. It's cute. So cute. So it's not big, but it's not small either. So maganda siya kasi pag kagaya ng anak ko na tamad, so pwede na siyang ganyan. Ayan. So meron siyang wheel. Tapos pwede mo siyang ma-remove dito. So pwede mo siyang i-backpack or gawin mo siyang luggage. Kung mag-travel din naman kayo, pwede mo siyang i-insert dito doon sa luggage mo. Ayan. So ganito lang. Ayan. So nothing else. Ayan guys, so maganda siya. For 27 euro, pwede nyo nang bilhin. It's available in Amazon. So I don't know if this is available everywhere, but for now, so I ordered this one in Amazon. So this is the favorite character of my son, Super Mario. Okay guys, see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share if you want more videos like this next time. Thank you guys. See you.